Friends, I am Raja and you are watching Royal Fit Guide. This video is completely based on how I started and how I transformed myself from a fat body to fit muscular. Till 2018, my life was completely different. I was not doing any physical activities and exercise. I had no knowledge about caloric diet and supplement. I was almost living an unhealthy lifestyle and slowly that affected my physique, by which so much fat deposited in my body. I have almost lost my strength and stamina. Everybody poked fun at my physique. Then I almost got bored with this life and physique. Then I decided to do something. Then I decided to change myself, decided to upgrade myself, decided to be strong and real. No, fitness is all about discipline and determination. Whenever you decided to see the better version of yourself with a strong determination, that will make you a perfect strong man. Then I started exercising at home. I did not have any equipments like dumbbell and barbell, but my determination was stronger than my excuse, and I am decided to challenge myself. At first, I could not able to do a single push-up or pull-up. My strength was almost zero, but slowly my strength started increasing. This is a slow process actually. Fitness is all about patience and diet. If your diet is good and you have patience, then your body will respond. I was so much dedicated towards fitness. I never missed a single day in gym. Every day I came to gym with much more motivation than yesterday. Slowly my muscle grew. I increased my weight training every week. After 1 to 1.5 years, I completely lost my overall body fat percentage. I almost lost 20 kg in a single year. Now I am very much happy with what I have. So nothing is impossible in the life until you work for it with so much dedication and discipline. So guys, never give up.